So basically, I broke up with my boyfriend like about a week ago.
Stop. A week ago. Oh, come on, don't look at me like that. She said a week ago. How can I not think of the song?
We haven't had a good relationship, probably the whole relationship that we've been together, like a year and a half. And I just broke up with him. But basically, I struggle with codependency, so that's the reason why I stayed so long, just to give you like a background. But I finally was like able to like really see things for what they were, and finally able to like end that. However, we've been in this like limbo of breaking up and him wanting another chance, all of this stuff, whatever. When I finally did it, I went to see him one last time before I broke up with him, and I feel like that was a major setback because the week before that I was actually doing really good, and I was like moving on. But then he like called me and like kind of like convinced me to like go see him one last time. And I did, and it set me back. And so this week I've been like overthinking like to the max, where I'm just like feel like I'm gonna go crazy. And I'm just like, I was doing fine and now I'm not, and so now I'm just like, like
be more fresh, more relaxed. 3, more water, calm water around you, new life. 0, water around you, peace around you, abundance around you, ease around you. And slowly open your eyes and stay with you and breathe with you. And don't look at me. You don't have to say anything. Don't say anything. Just stay with you. Be with you. You make yourself the priority right now. There's nothing else that's the priority, only you. You stay with yourself. You stay with the feeling of aliveness in your body. You stay with you. You did such great work. Just stay with yourself. Be easy. Allow yourself to be you. Allow yourself to know your own aliveness. Allow yourself that you're important. You're important. You have importance. You are a light of the universe. You have all this importance. All right, how do you feel?
Relax.
That relationship that you had is you trying to feel something inside of you that feels not okay. You want the love outside because you didn't feel so much inside of you. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Tell me if I'm wrong, and I know I'm not wrong, but tell me if that is not, tell me if that is what happened. You get an urge in your body of feeling, and when people are connected like this, there's a huge like pull, right? So you get this feeling, and that feeling in your body started to make the voice in your mind, that I'm calling now voice in your mind, I know you call them your thoughts, made it start running like, okay, but maybe he's not that bad. Maybe we can work it out, and maybe somehow we can do it. And he's the only person I'll really connect to. And I feel so connected to him. And this feeling, it just makes me feel better. Maybe somehow I can meet him one more time. And maybe it just helps me, and I can stay strong. And am I reading your mind?
Yeah.
And I can stay strong, and it's not going to set me back. I just like, maybe it's a good thing to go one more time. And the feeling came up, and your mind started to tell you what you're supposed to do to make you feel better.
When I finally did it, I went to see him one last time before I broke up with him. And I feel like that was a major setback because the week before that I was actually doing really good. And I was like moving on.
And that what your mind figured out. But that is not you, Destiny. I'm trying to tell you that is not you. Because me saying to you that, you laughing about it, you just laughed about it, right? You can only laugh about it because you see the thoughts that you had, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because if you didn't see the thoughts, if you were the thoughts, you're like, no, what are you talking about? This is like, but you were able to see the thoughts just now, right?
Yeah.
And you laughed about it because I told you the thoughts that you were thinking, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or they were similar. I'm not saying they're completely exact.
Yeah.
There were probably some additional thoughts too. So you can see them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Anything you can see, and I want you to always remember that, anything you can see cannot be you. But here's my question. Who is the one who's seeing those thoughts?
Are you asking me?
Yes, I do.
Who
is the one who's seeing those thoughts? Who sees those thoughts?
Me.
Can you look for the you right now that sees those thoughts? Can you look for it, discover it, see if you can find the you that sees those thoughts? And I'm not looking for an answer. I just want you to just discover it. Just lightly look for the you that's watching the thoughts. Can you see it?
I feel like
What is your mind saying right now?
I don't really know what it I 25% know what it looks like, and the rest is I feel like I don't have access to it.
Can you
I don't know what it looks like.
Even the thought, I know 25% what it looks like. That's you just said I, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to stop taking ownerships of the thoughts. I want you to, instead of saying my thoughts, I want you to say the thoughts. Can you do that?
Yeah.
So can you say the thoughts just said that that 25% I got? Can you say that?
The thoughts said that 25% I got.
So what is the thought saying now? And I know beforehand, before we talked like this, you thought that was you, right?
Yeah.
And I don't want to take that away from you. Can keep that idea that you think that is you. Just for now, let's play around with it, right?
I don't want that idea.
Say it again.
I said I don't want that idea.
Oh, you don't want that? Okay, that's great. That already shows your amazing consciousness.
Oh, crap.
I just wanted to make it easier for you. But since you're already so aware and consciousness, can you tell me what the thoughts are saying now?
The thoughts are saying that.
Good job. Already great. I love that.
I want to see it so bad.
No. The thoughts are saying thoughts are
saying that they want to see it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But
and who's seeing the thoughts?
Me.
Nice.
But the thoughts are saying that it's gonna be hard for.
Oh, that's what the thoughts saying.
Yeah.
Nice. And who's seeing the thoughts?
Me.
You found it. You found it in this identification, and you will feel it more and more. But your mind, the voice in your mind is looking for it, right? It's looking for the right answer in the mind. But you are not in the mind. You are observing those thoughts. So can you look at, do you have a plant in your room?
No, I have sage.
You have sage.
Yeah.
You have a wall, right?
Yeah.
Like you have walls around you. Look at the wall. Any wall, blank wall. And look at the wall and ask yourself, who's looking through my eyes?
Out loud?
No. Look for. I don't want you to find an answer in your mind. I want you to just almost like, when someone discovers something.
Yeah.
I want you to try to just ask yourself, who's looking through my eyes, and then wait. I don't want you to try to find an answer. Just ask yourself. You can do it in your mind, but when you look at the wall right now, okay, look at the wall and say, who's looking through my eyes at the wall?
But do I say it out loud or
No,
more?
you don't have to. You don't have to say it. You just look for it. Look for who's looking through your eyes at the wall. Look who's looking out of your eyes. Look who's trying to figure this out. Look who's perceiving everything right now. Look who's perceiving all the feelings in your body, and look who's perceiving the mind trying to figure this out. Look who's perceiving even the voice that I speak with right now. Look who's perceiving your body and your emotions and your thoughts. Who's seeing that? It's behind. Who's seeing the thoughts saying, I have to figure this out right now? Who's behind? You don't need to answer. Just like stay with it. Who's looking through my eyes? Am I aware? Am I aware right now? Am I aware of everything? Am I aware? Am I aware? Am I aware? Am I aware of everything? Am I aware of life? Am I aware of this moment? Am I aware of the sounds? Am I aware of my body? Am I aware of everything? Am I aware of the thoughts coming up that try to figure things out right now? Am I aware of the thoughts coming up? Am I aware of the feelings? Am I aware of the body? You have it, don't you? Did you see it? Is it feeling calm?
Mm-hmm.
Destiny, you did it! You did it!
It feels nice to like actually feel myself.
Oh my God, you are fucking amazing! Doesn't it feel calm?
Mm-hmm.
That's you. That is you. That is the real you behind everything.
Yeah.
Go back to the wall. One more time. Did it feel calm to you?
Yeah. But it felt like
Your face changed.
I don't know. Like, I don't know how this is gonna sound, but it felt like a little sad at the same time because it's like you don't really get to feel yourself
Well, that's
often.
then you were aware of feelings of sadness coming, and that was the story too, right? So the story came up. Man, so you were aware for like a few seconds, and then the story came up. Man, I wish I would feel this off more often. And I want you to see that that's thoughts. Say the thoughts came up that.
The thoughts came up that.
Fill in the
The thoughts came. I'm like waiting. The thoughts came up that they wanted to feel this more often.
Mm-hmm.
That they wanted
Yes. And who's the one who's aware of the thoughts?
to me.
Yes. All right. So watch the wall. 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. And I want to show you how easy it is to get there. Am I aware right now? Am I aware of everything? Am I aware of this moment? Am I aware of my breath and the feelings? Am I aware of my body? Am I aware of the feelings? Am I aware of the feelings? Am I aware of the thoughts? Am I aware of the wall? Am I aware of this moment of existence? Only this moment right now. Am I aware of this moment? Am I aware of all of it? Am I aware of the thoughts? Am I aware of the feelings? Am I aware of the voice of star? Am I aware of the thoughts talking? Because awareness doesn't mean that the thoughts don't talk anymore. Awareness means being aware of everything and not being identified with it. Am I aware of even the pain? Am I aware of the thoughts? Am I aware of the sadness? But you are not the sadness. You are aware of the sadness. Am I aware? I am. I exist. I am. I exist. I am here. What are the thoughts saying?
Well, I'm saying that I feel special.